Today I'm going to show you how to restore photos from iCloud on your iPhone, whether you want to bring back all your photos or just download specific ones. Let's jump right in. So the first method is restoring all your photos from iCloud. Start by opening your Settings app, then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. From here, go into iCloud, then tap on Photos. Now all you need to do is turn on Sync this iPhone. Once you enable this, your iPhone will start downloading all the photos and videos stored in your iCloud. Keep in mind, this might take some time depending on how many photos you have and your internet speed. You can open the Photos app and you'll start seeing your images appear as they sync. Now, if you don't want to restore everything and only need specific photos, there's another method. Open a browser like Safari and go to iCloud.com, then sign in with your Apple ID. Once you're in, tap on Photos. Here, you'll see all the images stored in your iCloud. Just select the photo or photos you want to restore, tap the download option, and they'll be saved to your device. After downloading, you can open the file and save it directly to your Photos app. And that's it. Now you know how to restore all photos from iCloud, or just download specific ones whenever you need them.